guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last time I showed you my extravagant Alexander McQueen sneakers with the crystals, and today I want to show you some typical sneakers that you can wear all around, and those are these beauties out here. This is the Alexander McQueen Larry model with rose gold coloring on the back of the shoe. So I'm gonna put one shoe down to show you those sneakers. I've bought them quite recently, so I haven't managed to wear them yet, but I'm really looking forward to wear them, and I really want to show you the front of the shoe because I really love the lining. It looks so elegant and it has such a beautiful leather. Like, as you can see, it's typical white leather and it's really made out of beautiful quality. You can see the sole out here. It has a beautiful lining. It's such an elegant sneakers. I will show this to you a little bit closer. Also again the front of the shoe, and this is the other side, and also from the beautiful bag where you can find the rose gold leather and the Alexander McQueen logo on it, written in black color, so it looks amazingly. This is such an elegant sneaker, and I think you cannot do anything wrong with this pair of sneaker. As much as I know, the Larry model from Alexander McQueen is the most popular sneaker model, so I am a fan of the sneakers because you can wear it to any occasion, almost to any occasion. You can wear it with jeans or with a sporty dress. I will show you this a little bit later, how you can style those shoes, and I am a huge fan of Alexander McQueen, also because the shoes are so comfortable, because when you look at the sole, you can see that the sole is very thick, so you can walk in those shoes quite a lot and you won't even wear this shoe. In comparison with the crystal sneakers, those are so light and you don't even feel the shoe. The crystal sneakers, they were like a lot more heavier because of the crystals, but here you just have the white leather. Also inside, I will show this to you, it's only white leather, and it's a beautiful all-time classic. Inside again we have the Alexander McQueen logo written also in white, like printed in the leather. It's really beautiful. And here in the front, I will show you this to you, we have the Alexander McQueen logo in silver writing. So as you can see, this shoe again is Alexander McQueen all around. You have the logo on the back, inside of the shoe, and up in here on the front. And also if you look at the sole, you will see again here the Alexander McQueen logo, which is so beautiful. Now I want to show you how this shoe looks if you are wearing them. So guys, I want to show you how those Alexander McQueen sneakers are looking if you are wearing them. So I want to show it to you from the side. You can see it has such a beautiful line, and the sole also is so beautifully made. Those sneakers that I told you are made of real leather, so they are really comfortable. Also again from the front, you can see also the band-aids are perfectly made. Here also the other shoes are on the left, and again here we have the rose gold leather on the back of the shoe with the Alexander McQueen logo written in black color. So it's right above the sole. It's really beautiful. They are so comfortable, and you can wear it with jeans or also with a sporty dress. It has like the perfect optical look. It's beautiful, and I think those are some classic sneakers that you can wear at any time. They are so timeless, and I think it's super chic. So guys, the price of those sneakers is 450 euros, And I think for this shoe it's an adequate price because you get a lot of quality with it, and you can wear those sneakers for many years. They don't get damaged so easily, so you can really walk in those shoes a lot, even every day if you want to. Of course, you can find much more expensive shoes and also shoes that are under this price, but for this shoe this price is absolutely okay in my opinion. And also a really good thing about those shoes is that the sole is a little bit higher than normal. So for us girls who maybe are a little bit smaller, and if you want to get a little bit higher, you can wear those shoes and you can gain about 2 or 3 centimeters. So it's really practical for us girls. Yeah, I was so happy doing this video with you, and I have a lot of Alexander McQueen sneakers also in other colors with other leather and other band-aids. I would be really happy if you would subscribe to my channel so you can discover my shoes together. They are from Gucci, Valentino, Prada or Balenciaga. I would be really happy if you would leave me a like or comment my video also with shoes that you want to see in the future. So I would be really happy to do an unboxing with you for the shoes that you wish for. And also I would be so happy if you would subscribe to my channel so we can discover everything else together.